Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the check valve type and flow direction. This matters for disassembly and function. Once isolated, close upstream and downstream valves, then relieve pressure and drain the line so you can work safely. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection, gather wrenches, sealant, a pressure gauge, and the replacement valve if needed. Now, position a bucket or rag to catch residual fluid. Then loosen the fasteners just enough to inspect internals, without removing the entire assembly yet. You open the valve housing and inspect the seat, disc, spring, and seals. Look for pitting, cracks, or foreign debris that prevent sealing. Once done, clean the passages and sealing surfaces using a soft brush and suitable solvent. Avoid aggressive scraping that changes tolerances. If parts are worn, replace the spring, disc, or seals and install spares in the correct orientation, matching the flow arrow. Make sure the spring preload and clearances meet manufacturer specs before reassembly to prevent chatter or backflow. You reinstall the valve, torque fasteners to the specified values, and slowly repressurize the system while watching for leaks. Tighten or reseal as needed. Next, verify cracking pressure and full closure by using a pressure gauge and observing flow cessation. Listen for chatter or pulsation that indicates misalignment or wrong spring rate. If the valve leaks or cycles, isolate again, inspect the seat, confirm spring preload and disc alignment, and consider replacing the valve if repairs don't restore reliable sealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.